Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Aviator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class.